between 1347 and 1351, a terrible plague spread from Asia into Europe. It became known as the Black Plague, Black Death, or bubonic plague because of the big black boils, buboes, it caused.
Ew.
In England, the plague killed at least 2 million people during these first 2 years, about 30 to 40% of the population. The plague was caused by bacteria which were passed on through flea bites.
Ouch!
The plague spread very quickly because the fleas could easily jump from person to person or from a rat to a person. Doctors didn't know how to treat the disease, but that didn't stop them trying. Weird treatments included taking a bath in urine
Ew.
or rubbing the buboes with chopped up pigeons. In 1361, the plague returned and another 20% of England's population died. After this, there were many more outbreaks, but none were as deadly as the first. One of the last outbreaks in England was in London in 1665.